All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. In today's video, I've got a quick, really cool upgrade that I'm gonna do to my R1250GS 2022 that you see right there. What I'm showing you right here is this headlight protector that I bought probably about 2 years ago. And look, it has served its purpose. This light is very expensive and it protects the light from all of the road particles. So if anything were to come, it hits this and actually protects the light. And I've just purchased this really cool piece. And what it does is I'm gonna take this off. You see this separation here while it's functional. I don't like the way that this looks. I think it doesn't flow, but you know what? It served its purpose. I like this yellow because it matches, and I'm gonna show you that here. But this new version removes this, and you take this cover off and you replace it, and it looks OEM, but it offers protection for that really expensive headlamp that you see there. And then in addition, I've been using these bark busters that you see here. And I actually ended up painting this myself because this was an aluminum color. Now it matches the bike. But as you can tell, the lettering for the bark busters is in white. I colored that in black, but it looks pretty crappy for what is an amazing, amazing looking bike. In this video, I'm changing this out. I'm gonna show you that here in a minute, and I'm also gonna change this out. Really quick, super fast install. And I'll show you what it looks like up close here now, so you can see the before, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And if you're considering these upgrades, hopefully this video helps you. Let me show you the new part. Look at that, how cool that looks. Take this out of the box. And I ordered this from a website called A Bike Thing. Great website. This is not sponsored, so I paid for my own money for this. This will go here. And instead of it looking like that, it's gonna replace that OEM piece, and this is gonna go and it has that nice orange color, which I think is really important, because let me show you what this looks like now in its current state. As you can tell, I have this cover here in yellow, and there's the light turning on. The reason why I have that in yellow is because I have these fog lights in yellow, and it looks kind of cool, but you see that those blinkers come in orange. You can replace that, but I've never done it to white. And while I've liked this look, again, up to this point, it's time for a change, and I'm gonna match that to this. And of course, in the future, if I wanna switch it, all I gotta do is remove it, change that orange thing to yellow, and then it'll match here. Let me show you what it looks like now, and then I'll come back here after I do this install really quick and show you what it looks like afterwards. Let me show you what the new ones are gonna look like. How much nicer that looks. This is by a company called SW Motec. Also purchased this at A Bike Thing. And you can still use the same levers that I have on here. I've got the new ones here because it already comes in black. So I'm just gonna change it out for this. Use these pieces, super simple. You see the instructions there. And then we're gonna place it back on instead of those old bark busters. All right, let me do this install real quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Let me show you how easy this is. Basically, these bolts just come out, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a little lip in there. You just gotta push down. And then this thing just comes out like this. See it? And now the other piece just goes over here like that. And I'm gonna just screw that in real quick, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like afterwards. Looks awesome already. Look how much nicer this already looks. And I'm gonna turn it on now, but this just looks just like factory. Obviously this comes out a little bit. Look how cool. It says A Bike Thing right there. This has a rubber seal. These 4 bolts right here, just screw those in. And man, that looks so much better, so much cleaner. Let me show you what it looks like now with the lights on. Oh, how cool. Oh, yes. How nice that looks. See, that matches perfectly now. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. I think this looks way cleaner, and it still protects that really expensive light in there. All right, let's do these hand guards real quick. Let me show you what I mean real quick. See that? See that? And now all of that matches really nice. And then I still got my nice yellow fog lights there underneath. I think this looks much better. All right, let me show you now. Look how much better this looks. W Motec, that looks super nice. Let me show you what it looks like compared to the bark busters. I think it looks much better. It is a bit lower perhaps, right up here, but nothing that I'm worried about. I think it just looks slicker. And I like the color. It matches the color of the bike on this one. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. All right, project complete. Let me show you how good this looks. How nice. Those SW Motec just matches perfect with the shine of the bike now. Option 719 mirrors and this light protector. Let me tell you, this thing looks just awesome. Looks OEM, much better than the option I had before. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments below. Show you this other side here. Man, that looks good. All right, so look, that's gonna do it for this video. Quick install, that's what we do here in the Fly and Ride channel. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.